What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, still down at this critical support, still going sideways, looking like we want to break out of this area yet again. Still going sideways in this little range that we formed at this critical level of support here, which is where we pulled our fib to. You can see high, low, all of our fib levels here being respected. We come back down to basically the full retracement to the zero of the Fibonacci level. Now looking like, we're finally coming up and retesting that RSI, which we've seen, for a few cryptos, but not all of them. You can see it here. Resistance, 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 and now we're coming up retesting it again. And just like with Bitcoin, which is actually broken out and is currently back testing that level of RSI resistance, if we did see a little bit of a breakout here for Vechain and a back test of the RSI, we could see ourselves coming back up at least towards, back towards this range, this previous range low that we lost at 7 cents, back towards that 0.23 Fibonacci level at 7.7 cents as well, because you can see here, we're just horribly oversold for Vechain. It's unbelievable. We're down at, March 2020 Black Swan event levels of crashing, and nothing really has actually happened in the market. Obviously, the stock market's been rolling over somewhat, which has been leading Bitcoin down, and in turn, Vechain has been getting smashed down as well. Technically now, we are making lower lows and lower highs. We are in a macro downtrend as far as we're concerned for Vechain. Definitely, if we lose this low here, we will officially be in a macro downtrend like this. Sorry, where you come down, you make a lower low, lower high, lower low again. Kind of bear market territory, isn't it? But realistically, Vechain, it's just succumbed to, what happens with altcoins when Bitcoin gets smashed down. It goes down like an extra 50% of what Bitcoin's gone down. Bitcoin goes down 10%, Vechain will go down 15%, etc., etc. It's just got smashed, absolutely smashed, doesn't it? But this is a quality project for the long term, and people always forget. Fundamentals do often win out in the end. Just look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. The adoption and the fundamentals have driven them to crazy multiples of gains. Vechain's already at crazy multiples of gains if you bought it for, a 20th of a cent or whatever it was. So currently 5 cents, for the long term might be a good entry point if you're considering Vechain for a longer term kind of hold. So you can see here, we've kind of come in, formed a range, as we said before. More realistically, you could say that the range is probably looking something more like this at this point, considering how many times we've retested that resistance there. So we could go ahead and change it to that. You could even say that this is probably the support as well, with the overextensions to the downside. So we'll chalk off these levels here as kind of volatility. So you can see you come down, you get your overextension, big overextension here. And then it's just a case of a range, isn't it? Resistance, support, 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 resistance, support, resistance, support. Very sideways motion at the minute. Trying to figure out what's happening in the market for Vechain. You can see we've got the pickup here over the past few hours all the way up to the top of the range again. But until Bitcoin gets that breakout, which we think it will fairly soon, then realistically Vechain is just, going sideways, isn't it? So before we do short-term price predictions, as always, go down in the Discord. Go down in the description, sign up to the free Discord. Absolutely tons of amazing content being posted in there every single day by community members, by us as well. It's absolutely incredible how much alpha that we've actually had posted by community members in there recently. We've seen some 10, 50, 100x gaining, node projects, etc. launching recently. We've managed to get into them early and made a ton of money off of it. All thanks to our amazing community. So go down, check it out, totally free. Really awesome community, all kinds of different, channels in there to get involved with. And if you do want to get an edge on the market, as always, you can sign up to our Patreon. Support the channel, you'll get access to daily signals for Bitcoin, alpha on potential 100,000x projects that are super risky but potentially crazy rewarding. We've also got maxi moves where we talk about a little bit of our own moves. We've got 10x potential cryptos for 2022, very self-explanatory. We've also got passive income plays, all kinds of good stuff to direct your attention towards. So if you're interested, go in the description, sign up down below, just like this, with an arrow. Go down, look at it, description, take a look, sign up to the Patreon if you want to. I think it's $9.99 a month, and get access to all that and become a crypto maximalist today. So with that all being said, very simply, trade in the range until it's broken. If we're heading down, back down to 5 cents. If we're breaking out of this, we want to see ourselves coming up towards that 6 cent level like this, don't we? And then, as we've always said, and we'll continue to say, if the market does play ball and we do start to come back up towards all-time highs for Bitcoin, we could see Vechain doing something like this, getting back up towards the all-time high. We do think 50 cents to $1 is a fair valuation for Vechain if we do see ourselves continuing to the upside in 2022. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals, and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.